Thank you for tuning into APC Solution. Today we're going to open up this 49-inch ultra-wide monitor by Asus. Let's get going. Now that we've got the unboxing out of the way, let's talk specifications. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is a 49-inch super ultra wide monitor. That's equivalent to two 27-inch monitors and approximately 4 feet of linear monitor space. That is massive. It is, however, only high definition, so your resolution will be 3840 by 1080. The refresh rates that are available come in at 144 Hz, 120 Hz, and 60 Hz. Now let's talk certifications. And it is compatible with Radeon FreeSync 2 and Adaptive Sync with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 10 series or newer. Let's talk connections. There are 2 HDMI version 2.0 ports, 1 Displayport version 1.2, as well as USB passthrough for 2 USB 3.0s. One is located on the back with the rest of the display connectors, and the other one is located on the lower right side of the monitor. Now with all those display connectors, it does support picture-in-picture for up to all 3 inputs. However, you're not going to be able to have a mixed bag of refresh rates. So whatever the lowest refresh rate is coming in through those 3 ports, you will be limited to. And additionally, because this is a Republic of Gamers or ROG monitor, there is a bunch of gaming features built into it as well as various video settings. So that's all we have for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us that thumbs up. If you'd like to hear about future videos, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notifications turned on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day.